On active laziness, a very interesting and a remarkably concept.
Yes, this concept starting from Italy and starting from Professor Domenico De Masi, that speaking about ozio creativo. Ozio creativo is this loneliness that have an effect on creativity.
Cu cât oamenilor le place mai mult ceea ce fac, cu atât lucrează mai bine. Pentru o mai bună productivitate, societatea are nevoie de motivații.
Today we have less industry, we have less art production, and we have a knowledge society. And in the knowledge society is important the motivation of the person. So if the person, they realize what they like to do, they are more productive.
Can we be lazy creative?
Yeah, this concept, it was very, very successful in Brazil, for example, because the people of Brazil, when they received this concept, when arrived this concept from Italy, they said, oh, this is perfect for us. In the sense that we enjoy the life, we want to do beautiful things, quality things, and if in the same time we are productive and we realize the work, this is very good.
Italia este faimoasă pentru calitatea vieții, spune consultantul în management Vito Vaca, însă în România realitatea e alta.
You need time to shift from one system to another. Right now, after the last 2 years, after the big crisis in Romania of 2009-2010, the challenge is reputting Romania in a good situation to attract again this foreign investor, put together quality of life and quality of work. This is the challenge.
Românilor le mai trebuie disciplină la locul de muncă, crede dr. Vito Vaca.